So I think that people can apply to the Agile Testing Days, like for papers and for new voices to be as a speaker, because I think that this is making you the opportunity to grow as in a professional way, but also you get inspired with the wonderful people that they are in here, with the keynotes, with all of the topics. And the amazing thing that we discovered here is that you not only need to talk about technical topics, also could be different topics in order to grow up in the different skills. So it was very good. I was very inspired for new voices also, and also for veteran voices that are a wonderful women in the technology. So that is very amazing.